Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you a review of this, the Ikuby Cordless Screwdriver. So this is a push drive screwdriver, so it means when you press down on it, it will start turning. So electric screwdrivers have been around for years, but this is a budget screwdriver. It's currently £26 on Amazon. Ikuby gave this to me for free to provide an honest and unbiased review. So I would like to thank them for sending this to me. So the material used on the outside feels comfortable. Now there is a textured bit on the top, and I wish that this was also on the bottom because I hold it on the bottom. So this screwdriver weighs around 270 grams, and with the screwdriver and the case, it's more than 500 grams. But I do think that the weight is good, considering that it's got quite a big battery and it feels really robust. So you might be wondering, who is this screwdriver for? And this is for anyone that does small DIY projects, PC building, or anyone that does maintenance on their bike. So this screwdriver has a 2000 milliamp 3.7 volt removable battery, and it's a lithium-ion battery, so it's rechargeable and it recharges via micro USB. Of course, the storage case includes a micro USB cable. The battery life so far has been really great. I've used it several times and I've never had to recharge it. There's also 3 LEDs on the front, and they're not the brightest LEDs, but they are quite useful if you're trying to use this in a dark environment. There's also a battery indicator on this, and it's only 3 bars, so it's not the most accurate, but I do find that it's a useful feature. So this will spin at 320 rates per minute, and there is a torque adjuster on the bottom, but personally I've never used this feature. I have never come across a screw which cannot be undone with this, but even if you can't, you can still of course use this as a manual screwdriver. So there's lots of really great things about this screwdriver. The first thing is that it's really great value. I think that for £26, this is an absolute steal. And I wish I had bought this when I was building my PC years ago. It's also really easy to use and really easy to set up. The battery comes in the screwdriver and it's ready to go straight out the box. So the storage case includes 10 bits, and I find that it's great that you have a range of bits to use. I think another great feature of this screwdriver is that it will save you time, and this will be really great for people with disabilities or people that struggle to use a normal manual screwdriver. I think the only thing that could be improved with this screwdriver is that the bits can sometimes be difficult to get out of the actual screwdriver. So for example, if I put this in, it's just sometimes just a little bit too firm. So overall, I think this is a really excellent screwdriver. I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. So there is my review of this electronic screwdriver. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching.